Hey, how y'all doing? This is Will from Say How You Feel. I just stopped by for a moment. I'm sorry, I'm laughing because my wife is laughing at me. She's the one holding the camera. But I just wanted to stop by to say, hey, how you doing? Sorry for the delay on the videos. Had to come up with some new ideas. My son actually came up with this one because his people wanted to, what do they want? Some baby shower shirts. Because guess what? They're having a baby shower because they're having a baby next month. Scorpio season, of course, mine's November 17th. If you want to go ahead and give me a birthday gift, you know what I'm saying? Today is Tuesday, so before I go any further, I want to wish my boy Mike T's happy birthday. Today was his birthday, so this video can come out after because I just found out his birthday. So go support my boy Mike T's. Follow, like, share, subscribe to his videos. He has some awesome content. Check us out. Check out the rest of the squad at 12 Gone Apparel. Check out your Dig Lifestyle. Check out All Things Styles. And we're going to put it in and put in that work. We're going to make sure the squad is taking over and doing some big things in 2020 and 2021. Be on the lookout. Make sure you support us all. Like, share, and subscribe our videos. And stay tuned for the video. Peace. Hey, how y'all doing? This is Will from Say How You Feel. I'm back again. And, okay, so I'm finna peel it. With all transparency, I did take all the holes out because I just didn't want to waste time trying to do all of that. And I'm hoping I have no problems. I did this design once before, and I kind of had an issue with this L. Should have probably separated it just a little bit because it's kind of thin. And it kind of, if I do it this way, it kind of releases it slightly. You know what I'm saying? It pulls it out. Okay, so that should be okay. So for those who don't know, I put a box usually around my designs so that it's kind of easier to weed. For one, two, just easier to keep everything in perspective. I want to thank my camera woman, my wifey, because normally I'm the one behind the camera and she decided to help me out today. And I appreciate that more than she ever knows. And I'm gonna be real slow with this design. I gotta be really, really careful not to, because I don't want to have to redo it. Although I already have one. I already have this design printed out again, so I wouldn't be necessarily stressing about it too much. But if I do mess up, I can kind of show y'all how to fix it. Again, this L. And I could have redid the design and made the letters. I could have redesigned it and typed it all out and made the letters thicker. I did not do that for these. With the trouble that I'm having with these, I might go ahead and redo them for the other ones that I have, because I have like 5 of these to do. And I might just take the time to retype them out just because I don't want to go through all of this. The customer, they wouldn't say much. They just wanted the shirts. 1 and 2, it's kind of like for family. It's for my son's baby shower, like I said earlier in the intro. So, you know, you do what you have to do sometime. So, if I mess up again, if something messes up, okay, fine. Alright, looks like I got all of them. Put this right here. Okay, so looks like, nope, looks like I'm missing something. Let's see if I can find it. Looks like I might be able to find it. If not, that's fine. I can print it off again. Nope, it looks like I'm gonna have to get the letter from someone else. Here we go. It's back. And that happens. That happens. So, as my boy Mike Tees would say, we mess up so you don't have to. Ain't this a blame? Alright, so I'm very transparent on my videos, as transparent as I can be. Everything seems to be here. Fill out the rest of these that I might have missed. Alright, then come here. I'm not necessarily a fan of the font, so I definitely probably will take the rest of these and just, I don't know if I'm gonna redo it, only because it's a lot of typing and I don't know if I feel like being bothered with it. Considering I kind of had the body design so that I did not have to be bothered with it. So let's see. Everything is easy. And these are for my granddaughter's uncles. I have not done the search for me and my wife, just because my wife has not decided what she wants, you know, on her shirt. So I haven't done that. To tell you the truth, I don't even know what I want on my shirt. I can't really put it all on her. Yeah, I don't know what I'm putting. This is grandbaby number 5. So the great part about this one is she's gonna be a Scorpio like her granddaddy, so she's gonna be rotten. Those who know I just had a grandson, and he's already rotten. That's my dude. Crazy part about him is his birthday is literally, I think, what, 2 weeks from yours, baby?
Yeah.
So yeah, his birthday is 2 weeks from hers. So yeah, these kids ain't gonna be worth a quarter. You know, and the crazy part about him is his birthday, one of my granddaughter's birthdays is the 7th of July. The other one is right after that, the 7th of July. My wife's is the 18th of July. My future son-in-law is the 24th of July. And my daughter's is the 30th of July. And their son, the two kids I just mentioned, their son's birthday is the 31st of July, which is my new grandson. So July sucks for me, if y'all just didn't know. Now the kids ain't get nothing, but the grandbaby's gonna get everything. So just FYI. So be back, we're gonna go ahead and press this on up. See you soon. Okay, so now I've already pre-pressed my shirt. I'm using a Gildan soft style. I don't remember what the number is on it, but it's pretty much what I use for the most part, unless it's a bulk order and they don't really want to spend a whole lot of money, then I won't really stress about it. I got it lined up. Put my Teflon sheet. I usually use my other press, but since this was already on, I'm not gonna go through all that. Put that 365, 10 seconds. I'm looking for, I don't know if this is one I gotta use No, I don't need it. Okay. Of course, a hot peel. Put this back on. We like to press it twice around here. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, dun, 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 dun. Hey! Pop it. Check. And this is the final product to that. Alright, so for all of those, thank you. Oh, well, see, they have my face in the shot. So, thank you for taking us out. Say how you feel. You know, follow, subscribe, show us. Is it a mess right here? Probably is. Look, I got several workspaces. I got stuff all over the place. This is actually, hey, for those who don't know, real quick, this right here is actually a exposure unit. So, yes, we screen print around here too. We doing it all. Do a big thing, this is a mess. Okay, I got the 3 right here. I got the 4 right there. I got printers all over the place. Lights, camera, action. So, but back to what I was saying. So, for those, so please like, share, subscribe, support the squad, support your dig lifestyle, support Mike T's, support all things style, support 12 Gone Apparel. Support us all. Check us all out. We all making big moves. 2020, 2021. Let's get it. Peace. And keep saying how you feel. You heard me?